welcome back to another Wild Willows video here on the Wild Willows YouTube channel. Today we are here at Blackpool Pleasure Beach and we're going to have a look at all their Halloween construction that's going on. So yeah, it's going to be a very good day. So yeah, we're going to have a look at all the Halloween construction and we're going to start off here where the witch is. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you know when a new video is coming out. Well, when we post a new video. So yeah, and follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Wild Willows. You've got this big skeleton here. Wow, isn't that amazing? And some spiders up there. So we've got this big witch here, where the flying machines is. Down here I've got some pumpkins. I really do like the theming on this. You've got some coffins with a hand in there. Really, really good. Amazing that is. One last look at that witch. So here you've got some pumpkins as well around these fountains. All getting ready for Halloween at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. So we got some more coffins over here as well. Now these are very good for theming, so I really do like it. And look, you got some like spider webs down here. Really do like it. Oh look, you got like something in there. Got like a mummy or a zombie. Oh, spooky. Also, there is some stuff in Maxim's gift shop here, so we'll check that out soon. But if we just head up here, we've got some over here to show you, which is very good for theming. So, here we are. This is Halloween. Now, it doesn't look very good for Halloween, but it does. It is for Halloween that. So, yeah, got some more pumpkins here. Getting it all ready for Halloween. And if we go over here, we've got a scarecrow. Now I think this looks somewhat out of like Skin Snatchers at Alton Towers. It'd be good if it had that, but we'd kind of be copying here. But that's amazing. That's really good, that. Really do like it. And some more pumpkins down here. Woo! Spooky. Valhalla's still going under construction. So, yeah. Got the flying machines there. So, yeah, let's see if we can see some more Halloween theming. Ooh, spooky. So, you have got some tombstones here. These look very good. Says rest in peace on them. Very good. And these are very nice, they are. I really do like these. And there you've got a hand sticking out of the ground. Whoa. Wow, now look at this coming out. Wow, look at that coming out of its tomb. That is amazing. I really do like that. That's probably one of my best Halloween theming that I like. Wow, that is amazing for theming. That is amazing. It's like a zombie coming out from the dead. Well, it's Tombstone. That would be good for like Walking Dead and stuff, wouldn't it, over at Universal? So, yeah, it's amazing. oh, gee, you've just got more tombstones down here. Very nice, really do like it. Got some more spider webs here. Well, you got some spider webs here at the Wonderland shop. Doesn't this look amazing? Amazing. Got a photo up there. And you've got some lighting over there where the ghost train is. Very nice. I really do like the webbing on this. This is amazing. Like, I do like all the theming around here. And Mum's just coming off Alice. I just wanted to get some Halloween theming. So we're in the Alice shop now, having a look at their new Halloween merchandise. Got some skeletons down here. Amazing. I like the theming on these. Might be nice, Mum.
Yeah, they're nice as well.
Skeleton mugs, goblins, Halloween decorations. Oh, you got a werewolf here. Werewolf there. Amazing. Anyway, back into Alice's shop. Oh, nice Halloween theme in here. It's amazing. Up here. And over here we've got some ghost train merchandise. Look at this, wow. Ghost train. Isn't that amazing? Amazing that is. And over here we have this like haunted mirror. Ain't this amazing? Wow, amazing. So you've got these scarecrows here. Don't these look scary? These are amazing. And you got like over here, don't you, Mum? There's Mum as well. Hello. What do you think of all this theming, Mum?
It's really good theming.
Yeah, it really is. So yeah, got another here. This one even looks scarier. Really do like them. And you got them all on here. It's like a scarecrow scare maze, Mum, isn't it? It'd be really good if this was a scare maze, you know, this area here, wouldn't it, Mum? And they had like scarecrows, like actors in scarecrow costumes going around. That'd be really good. You got Wallace and Gromit there, Thrill-O-Matic, no queue. And got like a scarecrow bit here. Oh wow.
Use the hand sanitizer.
These are amazing.
Around the park. Our teams around the park will be equipped with a range of
very good for photos as well. Wow, look at that one.
Our entire Pleasure Beach team will be temperature tested every day. Welcome back to Blackpool Pleasure Beach. When you're here, please be patient, be kind, and have fun.
This is amazing. Like I said, it's very good for photo ops. Mum, it's very good this for photos, isn't it? Got this one here. Amazing. Right, so yeah, that's amazing. Oh, got some Wallace and Gromit stuff in there. Check the shops out soon. Let's see if there's any like Halloween stuff in Nickelodeon land. Oh, we've got this out here of the Chinese puzzle maze. Got this like dragon here. Doesn't this look good? Amazing.
She's looking at me.
What's the matter? You have birds in your wardrobe. You're afraid.
So we are in Maxim's gift shop now. So isn't this amazing? Got all these Girls Train merchandise. Isn't it amazing? Over here as well. All Halloween merchandise coming out for Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Wow, look at that as well. New Ghost Train merchandise out. It's amazing. Oh, what's that, Mum?
It's a lanyard to put your pin badges
Oh,
on.
you got Valhalla, Grand Prix X, Icon, all of them. Got Ghost Train pin badges. Wow, look at them. Ghost Train pin badges. Some more of these skulls over here. Like a piggy skull there. A skull bank. Where you put your money in. Medals. And that's it really for Maxim's. Well, might be some stuff down here. Not really. No, there's nothing really anymore. Oh, you got that Icon there. Icon stuff. Nothing really much in here. Oh, you got these for Halloween, I think. Or there's something else. So, yeah. Icon
For the
hat.
safety of guests and our team, please use contactless
Face
payment
mask.
during
So,
our-
yeah. Wow, look at this out of here. In front of Ice Blast. That's amazing, isn't it, Mum?
Yeah, it's scary, isn't it?
It is. Some scary theme in here this year,
Yeah.
isn't there? It's amazing. And you've got the one and only Ice Blast there. Amazing. And we've got this new door here for new for 2020. It's amazing, this. Oh, look, you've got a hand there. Scary. That's amazing for 2020. For Halloween. And so, in here there's normally an actor, it's like a zombie, and he scares people in there, I think. And wow, look at the theming on that, that's amazing, that. Wow, amazing. And yeah. Circus of Horrors there, sure. And over here you got these lovely pumpkins. A big one there. All getting ready for Halloween at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Spooky. So guys, that's the end of the video today here on the Wild Willows YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you'll be updated when we do a new video like this. And follow us on Instagram and Twitter at Wild Willows. The theme in here this year for Halloween is amazing. Really do like it. Really, really good. So, yeah, what do you think of the theme in Mum for Halloween?
It's really good. We've had a really, really, really enjoyable day, haven't we, today?
But what do you think of the theming like?
The theme is really good. Yeah,
I like all the coffins, yeah. So, yeah, and we'll see you on the next
I like that werewolf that comes out.
Oh, yeah, he's good. And we'll see you on the next Wild Willows video. Bye-bye.